No makeup with some sweatpants on. You know I can always You can think about me all night long.
Willkommen bei Cibolo Nature Center.
Think of me, something that will keep you warm and show you we
Hier ist dein Spielplatz.
just this. So baby, if
Du kannst schwimmen,
from my where my
Wanderung,
you can tell your friends we'll be together till the end. Yeah, you can wear my sweatshirt. You're the only one I hold, and I don't want you to be cold. So baby, wear my
liegen in einer Heimat.
when you wake up in the morning, when you walk the halls, you know you wanna phone me. Said this baby, the start of something new. Girl, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I wanna do is more than just this.
Und Picknick gehen.
Then you can wear my sweatshirt.
Danke für alles.
We'll be together. You can wear my sweatshirt. You're the only one I hold, and I don't want you to be cold. So baby, wear mine, and you can wear my and I don't want you to be cold, cold. So you can wear so you can wear my sweatshirt, and you can tell your friends we'll be together till the end. Girl, you can wear my